A garden water fountain can transform your outdoor space. It serves as a stunning focal point, drawing the eye and creating a sense of tranquility. Whether you have a small patio or a sprawling backyard, a fountain can elevate the aesthetic appeal of your garden. The gentle sound of water cascading creates a peaceful atmosphere. This soothing sound can mask unwanted noise from traffic or neighbors, providing a serene escape right in your own yard. It's like bringing a touch of nature's music right to your backyard. The continuous flow of water can be incredibly calming, helping to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Imagine relaxing by your fountain after a long day. The sight and sound of water can help you unwind, making your garden a perfect retreat for meditation or reading. The soothing sounds of water can melt away stress. As the sun sets, the gentle trickle of water can create a magical ambience perfect for evening relaxation. A garden fountain is more than just a decoration, it's an invitation to unwind. It encourages you to spend more time outdoors, enjoying the beauty and serenity of your garden. But the benefits don't stop there. A well-placed fountain can also enhance the overall health of your garden by increasing humidity, which can be beneficial for plants. A water fountain can attract beautiful birds to your garden. These feathered visitors can add life and movement to your outdoor space, making it even more enchanting. Imagine the joy of watching colorful birds flitting around your creation. Bird watching can be a delightful and relaxing hobby, bringing you closer to nature. With a garden fountain, you're not just building a water feature, you're creating a haven for wildlife. This small addition can make a big difference, turning your garden into a vibrant ecosystem. Before you begin, gather all the necessary materials. This includes not just the main components, but also the smaller tools and accessories that will make the process easier. Think about gloves, a trowel, and even a small bucket for mixing or carrying water. Having a well-organized workspace can save you a lot of time and effort. Having everything ready will make the building process smoother. Lay out all your tools and materials in a way that makes them easily accessible. This will help you avoid unnecessary trips back and forth, allowing you to focus on the task at hand. Plus, it's always best to be prepared. A checklist can be incredibly helpful. Write down everything you need and check off items as you gather them. This ensures you won't forget any crucial components. You'll need a submersible pump. This is a key piece of equipment that will keep the water circulating in your fountain. Make sure it's in good working condition before you start. This is the heart of your fountain, circulating the water. Without it, your fountain won't function properly. Test it in a bucket of water to ensure it's working correctly. Choose a pump suitable for the size of your fountain. Next, select a container. The container will serve as the basin, holding the water that the pump will circulate. This will be the basin of your fountain. It can be anything from a large decorative pot to a simple plastic tub. The choice is yours, but make sure it's watertight. Get creative. You can use a pre-made basin or repurpose an old pot. Don't forget the tubing. The tubing is essential for directing the water flow from the pump to the fountainhead. This connects the pump to the fountainhead, directing the water flow. Make sure the tubing is securely attached to prevent any leaks. Choose tubing that fits your pump's outlet size. Measure and cut it to the appropriate length, ensuring it reaches from the pump to the fountainhead without any kinks. Finally, gather decorative elements like stones, plants, or statues to personalize your fountain. These will add the finishing touches, making your fountain a unique and beautiful addition to your garden. Let's start building. First, choose a level spot for your fountain. This ensures the water flows evenly. Prepare the container by drilling a hole for the pump's cord. Place the submersible pump inside the container. Thread the tubing through the container's hole and connect it to the pump's outlet. Now fill the container with water, ensuring the pump is fully submerged. This is where you can get creative. Arrange your chosen decorative elements around the pump. Use stones to create different water flow patterns. Add plants to create a natural look. Section 4. Finding the perfect spot for your fountain. Choosing the right location for your fountain is crucial. Consider visibility. You want your fountain to be a focal point in your garden, a place where it can be admired by everyone who visits. You'll want to enjoy your creation from various angles. Think about where you spend most of your time in the garden. Is it near the patio, the deck, or perhaps a cozy corner? Place it where you can see and hear it from your favorite garden spot. Think about sunlight. The right amount of sunlight can enhance the beauty of your fountain, making the water sparkle. Too much direct sunlight can lead to excessive algae growth in your fountain. Algae can be a nuisance, making the water look dirty and requiring frequent cleaning. Opt for a spot with partial shade for best results. Don't forget practicality. A shaded area can help keep the water cooler and reduce evaporation. Ensure the chosen spot has easy access to an electrical outlet for the pump. This is essential for the smooth operation of your fountain. This will save you any installation headaches. Having a nearby power source means you won't have to deal with long extension cords or complicated wiring. Section 5. Safety and troubleshooting. Keeping your fountain flowing. Safety first. Always unplug the fountain before handling any water or electrical components. This prevents any risk of electrical shock. Regular maintenance keeps your fountain running smoothly. Clean the pump periodically to prevent clogging. Remove debris from the water to keep it looking its best. If you notice reduced water flow, check the tubing for kinks or blockages. Adjust the flow rate on the pump as needed. With a little care and attention, your garden fountain will bring you joy for years to come.